Yes. Let's go see the basement where we at. Keep him busy. I'm just checking because the dog is outside.
10 more.
10 more? Went all the way down there. Alright. It's gonna be more than 10 then. Because 10 is gonna be 10 to finish and then we have to level the floor.
Completely.
Well, at least to patch all the holes.
Patch all the holes, no 10 is enough.
All holes okay, but all level exactly have minimum 50, 80, 100.
Huh.
You want to level
Patch the holes, 10 is enough. For the 10 bags you can do it.
Yeah, 10 bags.
10 bags. We make it look good, you know, it's not so
Just go liquidly with the concrete.
Okay.
Because it's already concrete on the floor.
But then you have big one.
No, they only have the small one. The 100 pounds they don't have it, only 50 pounds.
Fucking idiots, but that's
Because they can lift it. Yeah, exactly. They changed the price on it.
460 usually price big one. Now 460 small one.
So home staging 101, you get it, everybody. Make sure the foundation is really solid. Make sure everything is balanced so the drain can work and the water can go to it. We're moving one day at a time. Boy, fixing other people's mistakes. Home staging 101. From floor up to home staging.